This is counting coins using touch math dots rather than counting through skip counting. First, I'm going to go ahead and add the dots to the coins, and a quarter will get 5 dots. We put them on each end, and then we put them in the middle. So I'm going to go ahead and dot all of these. Once you have learned where the dots go, you don't have to put them on. It just kind of helps you tap out on the coin how much you would have. So I'm going to go ahead and start counting this and writing the amount of money here. So first I would say I would go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. So the total amount we have is 75 cents. All right, now we're going to look at a couple different coins. We have dimes are worth 2 groups of 5, so that's why they get 2 dots. And pennies are just worth 1 cent, so they get a 1. Now we're going to go ahead and count that money and total it up by counting by 5s again. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, and more is 21. So our total amount that we have is 21 cents. All right, let's look at the next one. All right, you can see our next row, we're going to be, we've got dimes first, so we're going to dot our dimes. Dimes are 10 cents, so they are worth 2 5s. Nickels are only 5 cents, so they each get 1. And then we can go ahead and start counting those. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 40 cents. All right, our next one, we have a dime, and the rest are nickels. We're going to go ahead and dot those. And here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. We have 30 cents. All right, we're going to dot our dimes. Dimes have 2 5s. Nickels are 1 5. I'm going to go back and count those now. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So this amount here is 35 cents. All right, now we've got some more coins combinations. Looks like we've got quarters, nickels, and dimes. So we're going to go ahead and dot those quarters because they have 5 5s in them, so they had 5 dots. Then our dimes. So we're going to count on each dot now. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. We have 65 cents here. So this eliminates us having to remember the value of each coin. What we're doing is just counting by 5s on the number of dots each coin gets. Again, our quarter would have 5 dots. Dimes are worth 2 5s, so they get 2 dots, and a nickel is 1 5. All right, we're going to go ahead and count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. So here we have 75 cents. Last in that row, we have a quarter. And this is the back of a quarter. We have nickels the rest of the way. So let's go ahead and count those now. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. So we have 65 cents here in this last row. When we get to coins that are a little more scrambled, it doesn't change anything we're doing. We would go ahead and dot those coins. And then we would go ahead and just count them around. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Well, that leaves us with 55 cents on that one. All right, next one. I'm going to go ahead and dot our coins. When we do this, it doesn't matter the order that we do them. We just need to make sure we tap it all out on the coins correctly. So I can start with any coin I want to and leave my ones at the end though. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41 cents. That's how it goes. All right, I'm going to dot my next group of coins. And then we're going to go ahead and tap that out. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75 cents. All right, a lot more coins in combination here. I see we have some dimes and nickels, and we can go ahead and tap those out now. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 cents. It's just remembering how many dots each have, and you're just counting by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 30 cents. And our last one, we have a quarter, some dimes, a nickel, and 1 cent. Let's go through and count those now. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 51. 51 cents. I hope that's helped simplify things for you in counting with touch dots, because sometimes it's a lot easier for just to count by fives and adding on the ones at the end if we have pennies. Try that strategy and see if that helps you.